Hey everybody, it's Nichole Pamper Chef. I hope y'all were having a good night. So I promised that I would come live if you're part of on my personal page for my personal Facebook page. I put in my stories, I found a new way to clean grapes, and in addition to what I currently do. And I promised that I would come on live and talk about it, okay? So y'all know my love for my stainless steel bowls. So look at my good old grapes, okay? Still look brand new. So I came home yesterday from the store. I got these from Sprouts in Greensboro, and I soaked them in my vinegar water bath to get all the bacteria, the pesticides, all that good stuff off there. I let them soak, and then one of my friends, Candace, who's not on Facebook, so I can't tag her, she had told me last time when I had got those, y'all know how grapes have that white filmy looking stuff on there. No matter what you do, what you soak it in, it still looks like it. Even when I do my vinegar and water, it still has that, I don't know. I don't even know what to call it, but it's the white film that's on the outside, okay? Y'all, no joke, I have an entire bowl here of grapes and there's no white on them, okay? So she sent me this article and I was like, oh, so it breaks it down of just washing it in water, which y'all know doesn't get, I mean, it's better than just putting it in the refrigerator. But your vinegar and water is what's going to kill those germs. And then the third option was to actually use a baking soda. As y'all can see, I have a huge container of this because I use this a lot too. And salt, okay? And what's it want you to do? So I actually soaked mine in vinegar and water first in the sink, probably 8 to 10 minutes, let them soak. Drain them, put them in a colander. In that colander, I sprinkled in the directions, say 2 to 3 teaspoons of baking soda and salt. Okay, so I'll be honest with you, I didn't really measure. I just kind of poured it over top, got my hands in there, got it all coated, let them sit there for about a minute and rinsed them off. And no joke, y'all, today, look, no white, okay? So I thought I'd come on live and share that with you. And again, if you're not cleaning your fruit and your vegetables, you should before you put in the refrigerator, okay? They're gonna last a whole lot longer. Add them to your stainless steel bowls if you have them from Pamper Chef. So these were cleaned and dried, so I did leave those, literally just put them in the bowl this morning. No, put them in the bowl last night. You want them to get completely dry before you store them in the stainless steel bowls in the refrigerator, okay? Remember this, dry paper towel, gonna stay in here for a week. So I know come Sunday, I need to remove this towel, put a new towel in, put my lid, and put it back on the refrigerator. I'm not joking, y'all, weeks. They will last 3 and 4 weeks, just like your strawberries and any other berries, okay? Any fruit for that matter. These bowls are amazing. Okay, so I just thought I'd come and tell you that baking soda and salt is what's gonna take that icky looking white, you know, that white, just looks nasty from the store, I should say. So please make sure you're washing your fruit, okay, and your vegetables. But I thought that was a really good tip. Pretty much everybody has these at home, these 2 products at home, and be able to do that. So I thought I would share with you, and I hope this helped you, and I hope it helps in your kitchen. I'd love to know if it helps yours as well. And thank y'all for joining me.